In this video, we'll be looking at derivatives of hyperbolic trig functions. The derivative of the hyperbolic sine of u is the hyperbolic cosine of u du. The derivative of the hyperbolic cosine of u is the hyperbolic sine of u du. And notice that this is not a negative. We'll do a short proof of that in a minute. The derivative of the hyperbolic tangent of u is the hyperbolic secant squared of u du. The derivative of the hyperbolic cosecant of u is a negative hyperbolic cosecant u times hyperbolic tangent u du. The derivative of the hyperbolic secant u is a negative hyperbolic secant u times hyperbolic tangent u du, and the derivative of the hyperbolic cotangent of u is a negative hyperbolic cosecant squared u du. Now let's find the derivative of our hyperbolic cosine u. Let's find the derivative of the hyperbolic cosine x. Now by definition, we're finding the derivative of this expression, e to the x plus e to the negative x divided by 2. Now I'm going to separate this into two terms. So I'm finding the derivative of e to the x over 2, I'm going to write that as 1/2 e to the x, plus, and then e to the negative x over 2, I'll write as 1/2 e to the negative x. Now I'll just use the rule for exponentials on this. The derivative of 1/2 e to the x is 1/2 e to the x. And then this one will be a negative 1/2 e to the negative x. And we can rewrite this as e to the x minus e to the negative x over 2, which we know from our definitions is the hyperbolic sine. Just be aware that even though these are similar to our circular trig functions, we have to watch the signs. So let's find the derivative of y equals ln hyperbolic cosine x. So we'll let u equal hyperbolic cosine of x. Then du is equal to the hyperbolic sine of x dx. So then when we do our substitution is y equals ln u, and we know that the derivative of that is 1 over u du. Our derivative is 1 over hyperbolic cosine of x times hyperbolic sine of x. And this notation with y prime, that's actually dy dx. So I'm not going to write my dx back here in the end. So I can rewrite this. This is hyperbolic sine x over hyperbolic cosine x. Which we know is the hyperbolic tangent of x.